Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. We do lots of unboxings here, whether it's subscription makeup boxes, mystery boxes, makeup hauls, lots and lots and lots of unboxings. If that's something you enjoy watching, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up so I know to continue to keep posting videos like these. Alright, so today I have the Tarte Custom Kit. It comes in a box like so. Very plain, doesn't really say too much. It says beauty that works and beauty that's good for you on the box. Very plain. I cross out my information, but it says Tarte on the very bottom. So twice a year, Tarte has their custom kits. So I think it's done by now. So by the time I post this video, unfortunately, I don't think they're going to still be having this promotion. But when they do have this promotion, if you use Tarte, it's amazing deal. I have my little notes down here. So if I'm looking down, that's what I'm looking at. You get 7 full-size items for $63. I think that's an amazing deal. In no makeup company, you can get 7 full-size items for $63. So it's amazing that they do this, but it's only it's only 2 times a year. So when they have this promotion, if you use their products, then this is a good time to invest in this box. So I've seen this box on a couple of people's channels. I've never did it, but I said, you know what? Now I actually have my own YouTube channel. So let me check it out for myself and see if it gets the Aisha stamp of approval for buying this box. So obviously, I paid $63 for this. The shipping was free, which was nice. I love when they do free shipping. So let's dig in and see what I got. So let me explain this a little bit. It's kind of not like a mystery box because you get to pick your 7 items, which I love because 9 times out of 10 when we get our mystery boxes, we like half of the stuff, but we don't like the other stuff. Or sometimes I've seen some people don't like anything at all. Because I'm a makeup junkie, 9 times out of 10, I love everything anyway. But I just want to see, let's see what I like. Now, Tarte, I hate to say, but their foundation range for darker skin tones is not that great, and one of the options for the 7 things you get to choose is a foundation. I want to say it was maybe like 4 of their top selling foundations. Don't quote me on it. 4 or 5 foundations. I chose this foundation in this kit. I'm very skeptical if it's going to match me, but like I said, if a color doesn't match me, I can always use it in my kit, so it won't be any harm for me, but it will be nice once in a while to actually get something that matches me. It's hard to kind of pick a color that matches you from looking at it online, and as you guys know, everything's in quarantine. They don't have any makeup stores open right now, so I can't go into a Sephora or an Ulta to see what this color looks like. So let's keep my fingers crossed that it matches, but I'm not going to hold my breath on it. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. So when you open the Tarte Custom Kit, it looks like so. I love like the little plants in the background. I love the little purple tissue paper. Alright, so let's see here. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. Be your own kind of beautiful. Alrighty, so let's see here. So, I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek of the 7 items I chose. Alright, so let's just take everything out of the tissue paper and we'll do it step by step. So there was no invoice in here, like telling you what each item was price-wise. All I just know was that I picked 7 things and it was going to only be $63. Alright, so the first thing is I see this card in here and it says, meet our skin awakening sis. 15% off your purchase on awake.com. Use code LOVEAWAKE15 at checkout. Offer ends August 1st. So they gave me a little coupon. And then I get a 15% off coupon when I go onto Tarte. It says use code LOVETARTE15 at checkout. And this is till August 1st, sorry. Alrighty, so let's see. So you got to pick, I think it was like 3 samples. I chose a sample of the Squeezy Clean Face Wash by Sugar Rush. So that's a little sample. This is not a part of your 7 things that you got. And just to mention, the 7 things that you got to pick were full size. Alrighty, let's see here. So I'm going to start off with the foundation because this is the only thing that I could be disappointed from because everything else I know I'm going to like. Let's see here. Let's see. So I chose a Face Tape foundation. This is what the box looks like. I do use a Shape Tape concealer. I do have it on right now. I like it. So I was curious about the foundation. So let's see. My skin is a yellow undertone. So this is like the only foundation out of all of the colors I was looking at said like yellow undertone in my skin range. So this is going to be my only hope in my skin range. My color that I chose was 53S, but like the 50s, like the 50s, the 51, the 53, 54, those colors was like in my range, but this was the only yellow undertone. So I was like, they should have more colors in the yellow skin tone range. It's 2020. Tarte, you guys got to get with the program as far as color ranges for women of color. And it's not just Tarte, it's a whole bunch of makeup brands. They're getting better and more options, but there shouldn't be one range of one skin type and not for, you got to make it for everybody. These times have to change. The struggle is real, which is why for, I want to say 80% of my life, I've been using MAC foundation, and like I just started like within like the last year or 2 using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation because I feel like those are like the very few of companies that have like a big range for women of color. I know they said Fenty has a big range. I didn't like how the texture looked on my skin. I haven't tried all her foundations, but the first one that came out, I didn't like it. But eventually I would like to try her foundation to see, you know, because I'm tired of always using the same 2. I don't have, some people have a drawer full of foundations that they can use. I definitely don't have that. I have a drawer full of everything else, but foundation-wise, it's very fine, few in between. All right, so let's see. I love the packaging. Packaging is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the packaging of this. It's a pump, which is always good. So here we go, guys. Here we go. So this is what the foundation looks like. It looks actually not too shabby. But I said that about my last unboxing. What unboxing did I just do? My Boxy Luxe. They gave me the Pearlise BB cream. And when I first pumped it, it looked good. But then it didn't blend with my skin. So let's see here. So this is what the foundation looks like on the back of my hand. Which, to be honest, I think I could actually wear this. Let's see here.
Oh my goodness, I think I could wear this.
Yes, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. I am so happy. If you're around my skin tone, my color is 53S Deep Sand. I'm shocked because I had to pick this color online without actually swatching this foundation at all. And I think I picked, I mean, this looks pretty good to me. I'm at putting it to my neck. I think it looks pretty good, so I'm actually happy about this. All right, Tarte. I mean, you still could have had some more range change of colors to choose from, but good job, good job. I'm going to try this foundation tomorrow. So I'll give you guys an update on this foundation to let you guys know if this foundation actually matches me good once I take off my foundation I have now and I do it on a fresh face. But this was my first choice. So, I mean, the whole kit was $63 and I'm happy, very, very happy with my first item that I got full size. The second thing I picked, well, I picked everything, but not that I need another makeup bag, because you guys know I'm subscribed to all 3 Ipsy subscriptions, and I get a makeup bag in every single one of them. So I definitely don't need any makeup bags. But this makeup bag was just too cute. Love me some snakeskin. This was beautiful. I like this a lot. Yes, there we go. I am so happy. I love, 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 love. So my first two items, loving it so far. The next thing I got, now they keep in mind in every category you get to choose. So in my bag category, they had like three or four bags you can choose from. I chose this bag. In the mascara category, they had this one is called Lights, Camera, Lashes. They also had the Big Ego. They had like 3 or 4 mascaras you can choose from. I used this in the past. I've received this in gratis. Because Tarte's one of the brands that I oversee, one of the many brands I oversee. So they gave this to me as a gratis once when we had a Tarte training. They do like trainings, like intense trainings twice a year for fall and spring. And they gave this to me and I absolutely, absolutely loved this mascara. So I chose this one. They gave me the Big Ego mascara for gratis as well, but I didn't like the wand is like too thick. So I love that you get to, it really is a custom kit. Like you really get to custom it. So the next time they do this, if you guys use Tarte, I'm telling you it's an amazing deal. Because this mascara alone, I want to say is like $28. So, I mean, you get way over the value price of everything that you bought. All right. So the next thing I got is this Tarte. This is a setting powder, super powder brush. I love that it's pink with the gold handle. Anything with pink, I'm going to get the opportunity to buy it. I just can't miss a pink opportunity. So let's try to get this out the box. Ooh, yes. Oh, it is so soft. I love this brush. Look at this. Okay, Tarte, we see you. Okay. Got my little Tarte brush. Loving this. Absolutely loving this. This is so cute that I don't even want to use it. You know how some brushes are so cute, like, and fancy looking that you don't even want to use it? No idea how much this brush costs. I think when you was clicking everything, they didn't have the prices on anything, but I know this ain't cheap. This is probably at least $40 for this brush. So I may even use this just for like one of my display brushes. Love this. Love, love, love this brush. So far, these are the things that I chose, and I still got more to go. Love everything. I think other brands should do stuff like this when you do your custom kit. Like, let's say Huda Beauty, for example, she just had her mystery bags, which I did and I loved because I don't have a lot of stuff from her brand. But I like that Tarte did it where you could custom it. So that way, you know, you feel like you get your money's worth. All right. The next thing I got is the Sugar Rush Tarte Keep Calm Sunnies On eyeshadow palette. Loving, loving the pink. Loving the packaging on the box. Look at the box. Alrighty, let's see what this palette looks like. And you got to choose between other palettes too. Like I said, every single category you got to choose. Like there was other brushes I could have chose from. Like they had the foundation brush that's supposed to go with this foundation. But I just like this brush better. So I got this brush instead. Ooh, look at the glasses and the pink packaging. Loving the pink. Loving the pink. I'm here for anything pink. So this is what the palette looks like. I already knew what the colors was going to look like because obviously I chose this. But you get a mirror on the opposite side. And then this is what the palette looks like. Look at that. These are beautiful colors for the summertime. You got your bronze colors. You got a transition colors for your crease. You got a highlight color, light and matte. You get a nice teal, which is nice for summer, and a nice charcoal brown. The only thing I always suggest in every palette, I feel like every palette should have a black, just so you can like always deepen the color up. But I absolutely love this palette. Loves it. The next thing I picked was, you got to pick the blushes. And a lot of their blushes is too light for my skin tone. This is like, I think like the only color that I can actually wear out of all of Tarte's blushes. So Tarte, you guys got to work on that, having more shades of blushes. I have so many blushes that I got is gratis from Tarte over, you know, the years of working in the beauty industry. And I'm fortunate that, like, my company is not just one brand, it's a whole bunch of brands. So I've had the opportunity to get many different blushes, and all of them were too light for me, but I have them in my kit, so it always works out. But let me show you the color that I chose. Which, and honestly, this probably could still be a little light, but this is like the darkest and like warmest color they have for Tarte. So Tarte, you guys gotta work on that. So this color is called Natural Beauty. It's a little light, but I could definitely still, like, let me see something. I already have one blush already, but I can still wear it. Yeah, see, I can wear it. This is pretty. Very pretty, very pretty. I loved everything in my kit. To be honest with you, I really... Ooh, okay. Did I get crazy with this side? Maybe I gotta put a little bit more on this side. Not that it matters, because we're in quarantine and I'm home doing nothing. I got this whole beat face just to be at home, all dressed up with nowhere to go. I love this blush. I gotta say, out of all of like the kits and the mystery boxes and everything, this one has been my favorite one from the whole summer, and this was the one that I least thought that I would have liked, to be honest with you. Sorry, Tarte. No, I'm not trying to throw no shade. But, wow. I think it's because I got to really custom this kit. Wow, 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 wow. Let's take a look at everything I got. I loved everything. I absolutely loved everything in this kit. I loved my eyeshadow palette. Loved my blush. This is going to be like my new favorite blush because I love wearing pinks. And this is like a pinky berry, which can go with pink. So this can be my nice everyday. Loved my powder brush. Loved my new mascara. Loved my new foundation that actually matched me. Wow. Now, I did find a foundation, another foundation that matches me, but the test is going to be, do I like the foundation? Do I like the finish? Do I like how it's going to look overall? Because you can find the foundation that matches you, but if it's like too oily looking on you, too mattifying, then that can change if you like it that much or not. So we'll see. This is everything I got. Oh, I got a little, my little sample. Hold on. This is everything I got for 63 bucks. What an amazing, amazing deal. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, Tarte, for making these custom kits. So I'm super excited that I decided to do this promotion. I don't buy a lot of stuff from Tarte, so the next time I buy something from them probably is going to be when they do this promotion again, which they do twice a year. But I always get a lot of stuff from them gratis-wise, so it'll work out in the long run. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all in the next video. I miss you guys. See you guys